What's up guys, welcome to A1 in a Box. Today I have the Azio MK Mac Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. It is a mouthful, but that's not the reason why I bought this. I decided to buy it because it's made for Mac OS, it's wireless, and it's mechanical. I've always wanted a wireless mechanical keyboard for the Mac OS, and this fit the bill perfectly. The keys are replaceable and you can customize it to whatever color scheme you want. First off, let's see what you get in the box. Of course, you get the keyboard itself, a palm rest, a USB-C cable, and finally, you can't forget the user guide. As I said before, this keyboard is made for the Mac, so the keys have the command and option keys in the right place, just like a MacBook. Now, moving on to the upper right, you have a mute button and a volume scroller. These work flawlessly as you can see, and I've had no issues so far. So it does come with a USB-C cable and you just connect it in the back. Once you plug it in, the right LED will light up showing that it's charging. Supposedly this thing can last a month off of one full charge. So far it's been a couple of weeks and no signs of the battery dying, so far the claims do seem to be true. Attaching the palm rest is easy and straightforward. Just line up the holes with the pegs and just click it in place. It's pretty sturdy, so you don't have to worry about it moving around. On the back is where you'll find the on-off switch and a button next to it. When holding this button, the middle LED starts blinking and that just means it's ready to pair with your computer. So what I like about mechanical keyboards is the feedback and sound it makes, and this keyboard is no different. Here's what I mean. It feels great and sounds great. Now onto the size of the keyboard. When compared to the Apple Magic Keyboard, as you can see, it is a little bit longer, but I don't notice a huge difference when using the Azio over my Magic Keyboard on my desk. Here are my final thoughts. I love the look of it. It is very Apple-esque with its color scheme of aluminum and white, and it looks good with my iMac. But I do have a couple of things that will probably make me find a new keyboard. First is when playing a video game such as League of Legends, I notice a lag, and I expected it from a Bluetooth keyboard, but sometimes it's very noticeable. Second, if I don't use the keyboard for like 5 minutes, for some reason the keyboard disconnects and it gets very annoying when I start typing and it doesn't type right away and I just have to wait a couple of seconds to connect again. For these reasons, I'll be looking for a new keyboard. There is a wired version of this and I may consider that as an option. So that's what I think. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Till next time, peace.